Hey y'all, it's Deb. Welcome back. If you are into crafting or you would like to start crafting, but you're watching your budget and you're trying to be really careful about your spending, this video is for you. I will post links below of items that you might need, and I will tell you they will be the cheapest prices that I can find. The first one that I'm going to tell you about is acrylic painting. Now, hear me out, don't go anywhere. I'm no artist at all. Anything I've ever done or learned has been on YouTube or using Pinterest tutorials. And if I can do it, you can do it. So all you're gonna need for this are the cheap white canvases of any size. You can get them on Amazon, Walmart, crafting stores, acrylic paints, which are super cheap, and a paintbrush. That's it. And with that, I made this for our daughter's bedroom. Her name is Elizabeth. She loves it. It is not perfect. It's got mistakes in it. She loves it, I love it, nobody cares, and it was super cheap to make for her. So that's idea number one. For our next crafting idea, this is perfect for children. If you're having any kind of a Christmas party coming up and you need a craft idea for kids, this is great. My daughter loved it. She went to a party and made Christmas ornaments, and I am absolutely sure you can get these in kits with everything that you need. I'll try to find some links for you below. They make great gifts. This is a way that your child can make gifts for people without spending a ton of money, and it makes them feel really good to give them away. The next idea that I have for you is watercolor painting. This has a wide variety of avenues that you could use it for. All you need is really great watercolor paper. I didn't say expensive, I just said really great. You just want paper where the water's not gonna bleed through, and some watercolors. Now you can go to Walmart, Target, Amazon, or whatever and get the really, really cheap ones. You can absolutely start there. Once you're ready to kind of move on to the next level, I found this set on Amazon. It's in a really solid, wonderful case. This is not gonna get broken. And when you open it up, it has all of your watercolor blocks inside, but what I really love about it is that it comes with these two trays that you can mix your colors in, so you don't need anything extra. If you're going on vacation, especially with Christmas and the New Year coming, and you want to take a crafting thing with you, this is great. This is great for children, great for adults, highly recommend. And you can make greeting cards, birthday card. I made a lot of birthday cards a couple years ago, or you can just get your own creativity out on paper. This is great. Highly recommend watercolor painting. My personal favorite crafting idea is to get into embroidery. There are two ways that you can go about this. One, you can purchase the items yourself and just watch YouTube, get on Pinterest, learn how to do it yourself. Or you can actually buy pre-made kits that come with everything you need, and the ending projects are beautiful. So a little bit about my personality. One of the reasons why I love embroidery so much is because the materials are super cheap. You can be as creative as you want to be, and when you start to put your stuff away, like if you get into other crafting, it takes up a whole lot of space. Your embroidery materials could fit in a little teeny tiny box. I love that. I'm gonna show you two projects that I made myself. One was for a gift for my in-laws. They loved it. It's fantastic, super inexpensive, but they loved it because I put my time into it. And then a project that I made for our wall to commemorate, that's a hard word, commemorate when we adopted our daughter from China. The last few that I have for you, I'm gonna go a little rapid fire. Origami is a great one, especially for children. Doesn't take up a lot of space, super inexpensive. Thankfully, crocheting and knitting are making a comeback. I'm super excited about that. Cross stitching is still a great one. And I found another idea that I hadn't really thought a lot about, making your own wreaths. You can make them year round, you can give them away as gifts, or you can sell them as a side hustle. These are several different ways that you can use your brain and be creative and possibly make some money without investing a whole lot at the beginning. If any of these ideas were helpful, let me know. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.